Hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. Well, Ethereum is currently following perfectly the forecast for this wave 4 bounce. I'm here on the daily chart. Remember that we wanted to see Ethereum move towards the 38.2 retracement, possibly even the 50% retracement in this wave 4. Quick reminder, the 38.2 retracement is usually an ideal target for a fourth wave, and that's at 3170, and we are now at 3090, so $3,090. We are now approaching that 3170 level. I explained it to you many times over the last few days. It wasn't a surprise when the price turned around down here. I think it was Jim Cramer even saying prices should go down further. No joke, it was actually the case. So that was a good indicator for those of you who follow Jim. Great indicator. And then we have the lower boundary line here of the trend channel. Obviously, that provided support. The daily chart did not close below that candle, right? The 100% extension level at 2,630 is holding, okay, and the 50% retracement as well. I mean, I love it. It's playing out nicely. I myself haven't bought Ethereum, but I bought Bitcoin, as you know. So we'll see how that plays out further. We've now broken above the resistance that I shared with you yesterday. You see clearly that the center line of this trend channel is providing resistance very clearly. It did yesterday. But the idea was that once we break above this trend line, it should unlock prices in the 3,170 to 3,356 range. It's always interesting how these center lines can provide resistance and support here several times. Yeah, and then it was resistance here yesterday, but we've now broken above it. They're not very strong, these center lines usually, but still something to watch. And yep, we see some upside. Let me go to the shorter time frame for ETH. If I go to the shorter time frame chart, you see it. The market continues to follow the blue trend channel. So, I mean, it makes sense to just follow that as long as it's holding. Clearly, it's an uptrend. I mean, everybody can see that. We're following here very clearly a local uptrend. And I shared earlier today in my member update already that we're looking for higher prices in both scenarios, clearly. So I mentioned in the member update earlier today that the first support zone remains between $2,926 and $3,000, right? So that's still holding. I considered actually that we might see a bit more of a sideways action or so because of, I thought it might be a slow day. Okay, I mean, it's not a wild day so far because of Thanksgiving and Black Friday and everything. It's rather slow, but still, I thought we might see an extended sideways action over the weekend. But then again, the parameters seem to be holding, and they do their job, because the problem would have been ongoing sideways action over the weekend. We would have broken below the trend channel's boundary. So it's good to see that upside continuation. Reminder here that in both scenarios, we're looking for higher prices. I only confirmed that yesterday, and we're approaching the 3165 level. I think blue has become less likely. Yeah, the scenario for a deeper B wave, that would have been confirmed only anyway with a break below upper micro support. So that should all be clear. I think we're now moving in wave C of 3 as far as I can tell. And then we'll see how the market reacts to 3165. I will update the relevant micro support levels and wave counts throughout the day in our membership area once there is something to update. For now, I would leave it as it is. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then yeah, check out our membership options. There is now a Black Friday week offer for our annual memberships only, 20% off in addition to the already discounted annual memberships on our website. I put the link in the comment section. If you ever thought about joining MCO, joining our community, which has grown a lot. Yeah, if you want to be part of a growing community with more than 8,000 members on Discord, then yeah, feel free to check it out. I put the link in the comment section. You get access also to our weekly member live sessions. You get access to a lot of additional updates. You get access to a lot of additional info in the chat rooms, announcements. There are even bonus updates on gold and silver. I know a lot of you are following that. I don't normally promote that so much, because, there's a lot to explore. So check it out if you're interested. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.